Today we're diving into the EMX KPX 100 digital keypad, a robust access control device designed for durability and functionality. Supporting operational voltages from 12V to 24V AC/DC without the need for jumper selection, it's versatile for various setups. The keypad boasts an impressive capacity of 100 user codes on Relay 1 and an additional 10 user codes on Relay 2, making it suitable for both residential and light commercial applications. What sets the KPX 100 apart is its security features. With over 100 million possible 4 to 8-digit code combinations, it ensures secure access control. The stainless steel face enhances its durability against weather and vandalism, promising longevity in outdoor environments. Installation is straightforward, thanks to its solid build and thoughtful engineering. Users will appreciate the tactile feedback of the keypad, which enhances usability in various weather conditions. Whether you're looking to secure a gated community, office building, or private residence, the KPX 100 delivers reliability and peace of mind. Overall, EMX has crafted an affordable yet high-quality digital keypad that ticks all the boxes for those needing dependable access control. Its robust construction, extensive user code capacity, and weather-resistant design make it a standout choice in its category. If you're in the market for the best-in-class access control keypad, the EMX KPX 100 deserves serious consideration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.